What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys here how to buy and sell crypto KYC free. And I actually made a video a couple months ago on the top 3 exchanges to buy KYC free, and what happened was 2 of those exchanges have actually updated and required KYC. So I'm kind of making this updated video here on the one that I think is the best one to buy and sell crypto KYC free, and that's going to be Kucoin. Kucoin is basically an exchange similar to Gate.io and even Bitmart, where basically you can't connect to your bank, but you can send over crypto and basically buy and sell other altcoins and lower cap coins, basically KYC free. Now, of course, if you're watching this in the future, one day, who knows, they might require KYC to withdraw just like Gate.io does. But as of right now, they do not require KYC to withdraw or buy on Kucoin. And if your question is, can I use Kucoin wherever I live, including New York and all those places? Yes, you can basically use Kucoin wherever you live, and it does not require KYC. Even here on the Twitter, they say that KYC is not mandatory. They actually do have KYC, but it's not mandatory to sign up to basically buy and sell. And I think the withdrawal limit of 5 BTC per 24 hours for unverified accounts. So you definitely got to keep yourself updated with Kucoin on when they might require KYC in the future. Hopefully never. This is a computer version. If you like trading on the computer version, very, very good, because they have TradingView connected to their website. So basically when you see the charts here, it's basically going to be like TradingView. And I'm pretty sure you guys know TradingView is a very popular website. So right here, it even says right here, chart by TradingView, and it's very good. I love the charts, and basically you can add all the indicators and all that stuff, and spot, margin, and do all that. So the computer version is very good, but let me just show you guys here a little overview of the mobile version, which I think is great. So this is your home page right here. You can see the top gainers, top losers. You can see right here in the market. So let's say I want to buy something here using USD Tether. Let's say right here, XRP. You just click on it, right? You could click on buy, and then right here you have limit orders, you have market orders, spot limit, spot market. Obviously market orders to buy it instantly, limit is to place it. Let's say I want to buy it at this exact price right here. You can click on the price, put the amount that you want to buy worth of XRP. Let's say I want to buy 20 XRP. It tells you right here how much US dollars that's worth, the fee. And that's another thing too, guys, about Kucoin that I love, is the fees are super low. And let me show you guys here a very important detail to make the fees even lower than what they are. So as you guys can see right here, my fee is 0.08%, which is super low. The regular fee is actually 0.1. And compared to Coinbase and other places out there, usually the fees are 0.5 or 0.3. But here's 0.1. But how can I make my fee similar to mine? Basically, Kucoin has their own crypto coin called KCS coin. And basically, it's kind of like Binance. If you buy and hold their coin, and then you go into the settings and you toggle where it says take out the fees on the KCS coins that I'm holding, it basically brings it down 20% less. So it'll go from 0.1 to 0.08. And this is great because it's just even lower fees. And obviously right here, this is the more you hold the KCS, the better it is. And then right here, you got the assets to view your assets in your wallet. At first, it can seem kind of overwhelming, but after you start using it and you start buying and doing all that stuff, it's pretty easy to use. And I definitely recommend you guys to put as much security as you can on this. They have Google Authenticator. So when you log in, obviously when you log in using your phone, you can use your face. But when you're logging in on the computer, or maybe you sign out, you have to use the Google Authenticator as well. So I definitely recommend combining all that to make it even better. What I also love about Kucoin is the lower cap gems. Kucoin is always listing new cryptos and new altcoins out there. And a lot of these altcoins, if you guys go right here to the markets and you click on 24-hour change, click the most lost right here, 20% down, or you can click the most gain, 23%. But a lot of these coins that they add are very low cap, and a lot of them, you know, can in the future be added to Coinbase or Binance, and then from there explode. So Kucoin is one of the best exchanges out there, in my opinion, to get into these altcoins early if you want to invest early, because they just make it very easy and convenient to buy these coins. And also keep yourself updated on Kucoin. Follow them on Reddit and all that stuff to know if one day they might require KYC to withdraw. So, you know, by the time that happens, you can withdraw your crypto and you don't have to put your KYC in order to withdraw. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's the best exchange that I found to buy crypto KYC free, and yeah, definitely check it out. Also, my referral code is in the description below, so you guys can join Kucoin. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.